trying to kill himself. Locked himself in a garage, and you can literally see the fog of paint residue flying everywhere. So after we're done spraying Ant's Rollcage, we're going to spray my Z32 Calipers. So not only does he have all of the fumes from the paint, but he's also got a flamethrower going. Look at this kid. This is just gonna get done. So 4 really nice ones and then 2 shitty ones. So I'll make sure that these ones are the hidden ones.
That'll be alright.
Casually strolling to the bakery.
Through the hood of Garfield.
Yeah, the hood. So, they're not open. Very deceiving and depressing.
Uber Eats it is.
So, tonight was sort of a success with Ant's Rollcage and everything, but stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a little bit better than this one. I got some more stuff for my LS240, so stay tuned for that. Cool. See you next time.